Hello, here we go with query 9 from Appendix 10 in the course spec. I'm just going to work through it. So let's begin with the from clause. We're doing from resort and hotel. So they're the only ones we're interested in. Move on to the where clause. Again, no criteria, not very interesting examples they've given us, but anyway, no criteria other than an equijoin. So as we build up the result set initially, it's just going to be each row from the hotel table linked with the relevant data from resort ID. So the first one linked with air and coastal, and the next one air and coastal, and the next one Fort William and coastal, and so on. And then we're grouping by resort name. Again, they've done that weird thing where they're grouping by the name of the resort rather than the primary key, rather than the ID for it. Anyway, so we're going to get a group of all the air rows. So these 2 rows for air, these 3 rows for Fort William, these 2 for Glasgow, and this one for Portrait. So 4 groups. And then on to the bit we're really interested in just now, having average price per person night greater than 100. So within each group, for the rows in each group, you're going to work out the average of those, which I reckon comes to about 72.245, something like that. And then average of this group, all the 2 on 2s there, should be about 98.806, and so on. And then we're filtering out the ones that aren't, well, we're getting rid of the ones that aren't greater than 100. So in actual fact, that just leaves us with 2 groups. These ones come out at 105.475, and this one comes out 179. So they both meet the having criterion, I should say. And then what are we going to actually display? The name of the resort. So for these ones, it's going to display this group here. It'll display Glasgow, and then what the average price is. And for some annoying reason, they've chucked in the round function, which I know isn't a difficult concept, but it's not advanced higher or anything. But anyway, there it is. So rounding the average to 2 decimal places. Yeah, that's right, isn't it? And with the alias average price. And so we get this result set. One slightly weird thing I find, you don't need to worry about it at all, because it's not part of the course. But when I ran this in MariaDB, I got 105.47, I think, coming up. So I don't know. I need to examine the rounding function more to try to understand why it's done that. Anyway, there you go. What we're interested in, of course, is understanding having, really. I hope that helps a bit, some of you. See ya.